Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and welcome to today's video. Thank you for considering to click on this video. I thank you a lot. And yeah guys, as you know, my days, every day it starts with laundry. Every day on a Saturday I start with laundry. That's why you see the introduction of this video started with me showing you what I went through the whole day. It was 6 o'clock when I started doing laundry, because you have to check with Eskom before you do anything with electricity. You can't bake without checking with Eskom. Yeah, so I was chasing with the load shedding. Luckily I finished around 8 o'clock in the morning before Eskom decides to do what they want to do with their own electricity that we pay with our own money. Yeah, so after doing laundry I took a break a little bit, then started making some tea. I'm going to have just bread and peanut butter. Those ones, I love them so much, but I don't have a choice of anything. I do use peanut butter a lot and some stock margarine sometimes, but I do use a lot of peanut butter. Sometimes I do eggs, sometimes I do chips, the fries, but it comes with a lot of work. I opt for peanut butter sandwich. So my day was going just like that. It was a hot day. Yeah, and if you just joined me to my channel, my name is Elizabeth. Like I said, please consider yourself becoming a member of this family. Do subscribe to my channel and yeah, enjoy every video that you have missed. I have a lot of playlists like the Vlogtober. I thought I would do Vlogmas, but I couldn't. Yes, but do enjoy all the videos that I have already posted. Moving right along, I went ahead and do the dishes as the day goes by. There were a lot and I had to just do it myself, give a break for my daughter for once, because this was on a Sunday, and on a Saturday I don't give her any chance. I do make her work on the dishes and clean the kitchen like that, since we are staying together every single day. So these were a lot, and I know I am not patient with her when it comes to the way that she does things. She is very slow. The space is too small. We can't be having someone standing up for a long time. I'd rather do them myself when there are so many. So yeah, I have put in a little bit of disinfectant, a little bit of handy though I didn't show them there. I only showed you when I put in some dish washing liquid. I do enjoy doing dishes, guys. I do enjoy doing dishes. The only thing that I feel kind of demotivated is wiping. Wiping them is a lot, but I have to wipe them because I'm trying to make some space on the table. So let's do the dishes and enjoy.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
And one thing that is really on my chest, like it's been there since January, is to reset my cupboard. I need to clean that cupboard, like refresh it, take everything out and make it clean. I know I have cleaned it recently, 3 months back, but I think it's a lot. I've seen some roaches sometimes. I don't know where they come from. So I need to reset my cupboard and make it clean, thoroughly clean it. I need to also buy some cockroach chaser. I don't know what they call them. I'll go to Discam or Clicks, that powder that you put in so that I chase away those roaches. I've seen them once or twice way back, but I'm not happy. So one thing that I need to do is to just clean my cupboard thoroughly.
We'll never be alone, Savannah.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind.
I'm putting that bleach in that pot because barb makes black marks, and those black marks cannot be removed by an ordinary sponge. So after cleaning them and they're clean, I put that bleach there for it to remove that brown mark made from barb. I don't score my pots. I don't want to ruin them with a scorer, so I use that thing and it removes it. So nice. They're still white.
And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground. So we can fly again. So we can fly again.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bar.
Now, because it was during the day, like later in the day, when I woke up very early to go and do my laundry. I left people sleeping. So when they wake up, they just wake up. Guys, they just wake up. When I ask, why didn't you make the bed? They say, no, what if you want to make a video? The excuse coming from this, I was so tired that day. Like I was standing the whole day, but I had to just make up the bed. It was around 12 midday when I make this bed. So yeah, let's just do this bed and get done with everything. The day was going and it was very hot. Couldn't clean the bedroom as and when after doing the bed. I cleaned it later, but it wasn't even shown here in the camera. And do enjoy this video. If you're still here, give it a like. If you haven't, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment and do those things that makes the video goes and reach other people. Guys, I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.
Autumn, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times. No